meeting. We're gonna have a great time together. We got a lot of information, the perfect situation. We're gonna have a good time. And whether you drove down the street just to get here, took a train, a plane, a bus, you're gonna find it's worth your while to spend this time with us. It's gonna be a good, good morning.